Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 1% during the session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil drop 0.9% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices settled lower to end last week after the Islamist group Hamas released 2 US hostages from Gaza, leading to hopes the Israeli-Palestinian crisis could de-escalate without engulfing the rest of the Middle East region and disrupting oil supplies. Unemployment in Britain has jumped to its highest level since 1994, with young people hit hardest as private companies fail to make up for job losses in the public sector, piling pressure on the government to boost a stagnant economy. The pound was at its weakest against the euro in 5 months to end last week, and was also under pressure versus the dollar, as weak retail sales data reinforced fears about the health of the British economy.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence ADJ will be released at 04:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.